about to change. Things are going to change for you. That subject that looks like a nightmare to you can actually turn out to be your best subject. If you can watch through this video, just pick your pen, obey all the instructions I'm going to give you, and I'm going to share a true life story, a personal experience that caused a turnaround in my academic life. I'm going to share it with you. Please watch this video to the end, and you will see how things will turn around in your life and in your academic journey. Let's go right into the video. How to become a genius in mathematics and physics. The first thing is your mindset. You have to make up your mind. You have to work on yourself. All things are possible. You have to believe first. Have that strong belief that you can, and have that mindset that you're ready to learn. So the first thing is starts with your mindset. You have to work on your mind. Tell yourself mathematics is easy, physics is easy, calculations are easy. I can do it. And prepare your mind that you can and you're ready to learn. Then the second thing you have to do is set a goal. Have a target. Set plans. Write down your plans. And give mathematics and physics time. Sincerely, you need time. You need time to practice. You need time to study. You have to give it time. It cannot happen overnight. Now, let me share my personal experience. When I was in junior school, I used holidays to tackle mathematics. What I do is I pick my mathematics textbook and solve all the exercises in it. I started that way. Every time during the holiday, I do only mathematics. Give it time. You can set a goal. You can have a target. 3 times in a week, 30 minutes every day, 1 hour every day, according to your own time. Then you will set, have a target, have a plan, you set goal for it. So I started that way. Every holiday, I pay attention to mathematics. Gradually, I started enjoying mathematics. From there, I started representing my school in cowbell maths competition, Merinda competition. I started representing my school, gifted children, any maths competition. Why? Because I started giving mathematics time. Then, after my junior secondary, that's after year 7, 8, 9, what I do, I picked after the exam, during the long vacation, I picked year 7 textbook, year 8 textbook, year 9 textbook. That's according to British curriculum. But in Nigerian curriculum, JS 1, JS 2, JS 3. I picked these 3 textbooks. I covered all the exercises there. And the way I do it so that I don't get tired, I don't read the examples. What I do is I go through once I go through one example, I cover the rest and try to solve it. After solving it, if I don't get the same thing, I will go back and check where did I make any mistake. I pick my mistakes. So by giving it time, I started doing well. I didn't know that God was preparing me for something great. I didn't see it coming. I was just using my holiday to spend time with my group. I was busy solving mathematics. All the exercises in New General Mathematics, I covered them. I mean from front to cover, everyone. And I noticed that I was becoming better, doing better, getting almost all the exercises there. I didn't know God was preparing me for something until year 10, that's SS1. In my state, we have this competition. I represented my school. We were, among others, I was the only female and among the best 10. My parents were invited, award gifts, several things happened in my life that period that made me happy. Remember, I started giving mathematics a chance. I started giving it time. You need to give it time. With your goals, you have a target. I have to cover this, I have to learn to you, you can easily go through them because you already know the formulas. If you don't know the formula, it's going to be a whole lot of work for you. So you need to memorize all the formulas. Please make out time. You can start bit by bit, step by step. Maybe the first week you take the first 10 formulas, second week you keep topping up, just like that until you memorize all the formulas. Please, you really need that. Try to get list of formulas, and I know you can memorize. I'm going to do a video on how to memorize things easily. Please, you really need to. If it's formula, you just need to memorize. You just need to know them for you to excel. Okay? Please, if you have watched this video to this point, click on the like button, subscribe to this channel. Okay, let's continue. Now, what again do you need to do to start excelling in mathematics and physics? You will need patience. Whenever you solve a problem and you don't get it, don't quit. Don't be angry with yourself. Don't say, no, I can't get it. Why am I not getting it? Why did I don't understand? You really need time. You have to be patient. You have to take it easy with yourself. Don't quit. Whenever you make any mistake, whenever you solve any problem and you are wrong, please don't quit. Don't stop. Continue. Just continue and be patient. You're going to see that you start improving. You start improving. From improving, gradually you become an expert, a professional, and a genius. Don't give up. Don't quit. Don't ever give up. If you fail, do it again. And most times, cover the examples, cover the exercises, and try to solve it again to see if you will get the answer correctly. Then the next thing, please be careful. Especially when it comes to word problem, you have to read it line by line. Be careful, don't rush. You can know it, but how do you prove that you know it? Is by getting the answer correct. If you know it and you're making small mistakes, you're mixing numbers, this thing has to do with figures. If you're mixing numbers, if you're mixing figures, you're going to get the wrong answer. So you have to be very careful when it comes to subjects that involves calculation like mathematics and physics. You just have to be very careful. Hope you got the point, and I know you got that. Please put everything I've said in practice and subscribe to this channel. Turn the bell notification for updates as I keep doing tutorials, especially topics in physics and mathematics that students are finding it difficult. Please share this video. If you have someone that is still in school, encourage the person to subscribe to this channel and keep up with our tutorials. Thank you.